Alright, hello traders, welcome back. Now, I don't normally make a Sunday video, but this is a bit of a detailed watch list. So, I talked about the pound a little bit. I talked about the pound also with Connor. I don't think it was in the video. We talked Aussie dollar, we talked Kiwi, and we talked Dow Jones and what's going on currently in the US equity markets, but didn't really discuss about the pound. Now, this is pretty interesting. Weekly chart up now. And where it is, I haven't actually completed the support and resistance. I had some profile issues with MT4 and I reopened it and everything freaked out and it deleted the support and resistance. So what I typically do is we're the line chart and nope, not on word, Scott. The program, buddy. There we go. Yeah. We're going to under control. Okay, so, I mean, you want to see a few touches. This is really pretty interesting back in 2015, so I'm going to put that there because it held. Like, it was in free fall mode for a little bit, and this one is probably worth talking about as well. So, is interesting. That's, this is on the weekly, so this is pretty significant. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. It's 1, 2. So go down, you sort of see it's a zone though. It's not an exact point on the chart. We go down 4 hour, back to the bar graph, and you can see sort of where it's at. No, that's not. That's the Kiwi actually. It's embarrassing. There we go. That looks, but the Kiwi is a trade, and this is the perils of getting up early, working, napping, doing this just after a nap. So, but look, regardless, that was actually how I do this more resistance. So if you do watch this, you'll see how I do, and I like using the line graph because you see the close. So the bars, obviously, you see everything. So the close is actually where it's not the end of the wick; it's where the actual body of the candle finishes. So, but Kiwi's not a trade currently. I don't want to see it come back down. Ideally, it comes back up to like 66 and gives a little rebound. I think that's the same for the Aussie. Actually, let me get the Aussie up. I feel I've been rushing videos. Like I do want to go over a few things. So we discussed this yesterday in Trade Talk, and currently where it's at, it's sort of floating around levels. So it has broken through 71. I really wanted to come back up. So I actually shorted it about here. It bounced. I moved the stop. It took the stop out. So no, it was after that. It was like here. I shorted here and bounced, and it took me out. I actually closed that early, and then it fell down on Friday. So the Kiwi and the Aussie did that, but earlier in the week I closed the Aussie out. So don't do that. Follow the rules, and that was a little disappointing, but that's life though. But Aussie's not really looking like a buy or a sell. I mean, I wanted to come back up here. So on the weekly, I mean, if it just completely collapsed and then bounced off 69, then a buy trade. Currently, it's closer to 71.81, so I'm talking about a potential sell if it bounces off that level. All right, and the pound. Although, I mean, if it really collapsed, I'd probably take a sell wide stop, and because it could just fall over for some reason. Although, you'd like to see a catalyst on that before you sort of get in on a thesis of that nature. Alright, weekly chart. Let's get rid of this grid. I like things to be pretty. Now, I have been messing around with the lower time frames, guys. So, if I do talk about lower time frames, that's why I can't, unfortunately, show the indicator. It's not my stuff to show, but I'll be updating everyone on how that's going. US equity markets, I will try and do a little bit of that. Got the IB account, so we'll see. See what's going on. I've got a few other things going on as well, not trading related. that's in the pipeline as well. That I don't think it will like affect the trading too much, but I'll be moving to a different country potentially. So we'll see. I haven't got a contract yet. I've accepted an offer. It's related to what I did at university, sports science. I might be moving to China. So we'll see what happens there. It's been about a week or so now of getting documents together for him and everything, and just awaiting the contract. But anyway, so the pound. Now I haven't done levels here. I had the pound with the fancy pants intraday indicator. So let's go to the line graph. Get some levels. Okay. See, that's support right there. That's pretty clearly defined. I like doing the top on the weekly. I'm doing like burn-offs in Perth, and I was working outside today, and I got a little too much sun. I had like 3 layers of sunscreen on throughout the day, so just because my brain's been in the microwave or something. Alright, I'll stop my whinging. Stop me whinging. Right there, I would say that's a little bit of resistance. Again, it's a zone, so it's not like an exact science when you're identifying these things. You just got to sort of, every little chart you see is a little bit different. So that's a bit of support there. Yeah, it's open to interpretation. If you got your view on, I really, please interact. I enjoy interacting with fellow traders. I've been working at a prop firm as well in Sydney too. I've sort of had to put that on the back burner. It's not Forex though. It is, we were trading cryptocurrency futures, so Bitcoin and then later on Ethereum. So I'm back in Perth for now though. The volatility on that's died down significantly, and obviously I'd have to pay live in Sydney as well, and with my current situation in Perth, it's just not quite feasible for me really. But for now anyway, if it goes to the moon, off I go to Sydney. But we'll see. And it's a little bit of resistance there. So where we currently are at, you could put the argument together that this is a little bit of support here, maybe. We'll go down to the 4 hour now. Our charts. So, yep. And a general rule, you want at least 200 pip difference between the zones. And we've got that. That's 409. So that's fine. So a rally down here maybe, and then a bounce off 127, 145 or so. Okay. You want to see the change like here. This is good. Like something like this, you probably get in on. Or if it collapses, I'm going to sell it, because driving this is pretty bad fundamentals on the pound as well in regards to Brexit. So Aussie dollar is bad with China property market situation and the equity situation with America. And then, the ASX is a little overcooked as well. So you could be seeing risk off and people flooding to the US dollar potentially. So the Aussie's going to weaken. All right. So that's it for now. That's the analysis, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.